Guessing the character by the Halloween snacks is the main topic of today's video. With 26 challenging questions about 15 characters, but one mystery one. Can you be the person who identify every single character of Trolls Band Together? Let's go for it! Round 1. Which Trolls is this?
Wait. Why does Barb get to decide which music gets to be...
And the first snack will bring us to Branch.
Wait. Why does Barb get to decide which music gets to...
Round 2. Let's focus and remember that the appearance of these characters. Can you fill the order? This is the right answer. Did you get it correctly? Round 3. Who can relate it to this Pringles?
What can I say? When you go run a place, gotta flex the drip.
Yeah, I'm the fun side of...
And he is our fun boy. Clay, great job.
Romper? What can I say? When you go run a place, gotta flex the drip.
Yeah, I'm the fun...
Round 4. Do you want to go to eat this noodles for Halloween? It's the brain noodles. Round 5. Who can have this delicious cake?
Operation, and Mr. Clay takes care of the boring stuff.
Guilty!
And the cake is belong to Viva. Really spooky cake, don't you think?
Operation, and Mr. Clay takes care of the boring stuff.
Guilty!
Round 6. This Coca-Cola can remind you to which Trolls? Correct answer. It is Rock and Roll Queen, Barb. Special round, round 7. If the Trolls characters dress as Sonic characters, how do you think it would be? What do you think of these cosplays? Share your thought in the comment section to let us know. Round 8. Can you recognize the Trolls by this cotton candy?
Oh no. Hey guys.
You're doing great! It's the Cloud Guy!
Oh no. Hey guys.
Round 9. Count the character. Same rule as usual. And let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Let's do the counting. How many Cloud Guy did you count? The correct Cloud Guy in this round is 14. Is this the number you count? Round 10. Can you recognize this character?
Hey, I know I probably don't say this enough, but good job.
Velvet is the character that we're looking for.
Hey, I know I probably don't say this enough, but good job.
Round 11. Find these 3 characters' names in the alphabet. The names are here. You're amazing, my friend. Round 12. Can you name this character?
I'll never stop fighting until I make things right, and I'm not a pipsqueak.
The stage is now for Queen Poppy. Did you recognize her at the first place?
I'll never stop fighting until I make things right. And I'm not a pipsqueak.
Round 13. Who can this be?
Get grateful to your teachers and everyone who got you here tonight.
That's what I'm going for.
And the owner of the cake is Veneer, the twin brother of Velvet.
Get grateful to your teachers and everyone who got you here tonight.
That's what I'm going for.
Round 14. Can you help him get out of this maze and meet Floyd on the other side to go for the Halloween party? Yes, that's the correct path. You're doing so great. Round 15. Which trolls is this?
You're Poppy's sister? That makes us best friends too.
And the snack is belonged to Bridget. You're doing so good.
You're Poppy's sister? That makes us best friends too.
Round 16. Find the differences between these two pictures. The differences we need are here. Round 17. Can you name this character?
To lose 30 pounds in the next 8 hours.
King Gristle is the one. Did you remember him?
Just have to lose 30 pounds in the next 8 hours.
Round 18. Match the dot color. All we have to do is connect the same color dot together. Let's go for it. Time's up. Did you match them? Round 19. Do you recognize this trolls?
Just let me run past you. You can pretend you never saw me. It'll be all right.
Floyd, the sensitive one, is the character in this round.
Please, Veneer, just let me run past you. You can pretend you never saw me.
Round 20. Which character can have this Doritos? Crimp is the right answer. Super easy, right? Round 21. Whose are these characters? This is the right answer. You're doing so good. Round 22. This sprite can remind you to whom?
Hey, also me. Branch has never written a song. I was.
There's the Brozone's leader, John Dory.
JK, also me. Branch has never written a song. I was.
Round 23. Find the odd John Dory. The odd one is right here. Round 24. Whose snack looks more delicious, John Dory or Branch? Who is your choice? Comment down to let me know. Round 25. Which character is this?
Fries are amazing. They'd really go great with a burger.
It's Spruce, the heartthrob of Brozone. You're amazing!
These fries are amazing. They'd really go great with a burger.
Round 26. Who can this be?
Hey man, I know about being treated like a baby, but while it's just the two of us.
And the special character in today's video is Tiny Diamond.
Hey man, I know about being treated like a baby, but while it's just the two of us.
Round 27. Which food would you have in Halloween? Ghost cookies or Frankenstein cake? Which is your choice? Share with us in the comment section. Round 28. Find the missing puzzle pieces. The missing pieces answer is C. Did you choose this answer? How many questions did you answer correctly in this video? Leave a comment down below to see if there's anyone can beat this challenge like you. And what movie do you want IQ Quiz to do next? Please hit like and subscribe to our channel to follow for more interesting challenges. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.